Hi guys, and welcome to another video on eBay. In today's video I'm going to speak about the new payment system on eBay, which is called Manage Payments. So there's a couple of important information that I'm going to share in this video, so please stay until the end of this video. So number one, do not buy an eBay account that is not under your own name. You will understand more about that during this video. Please help my channel to grow by liking this video and writing your comment below this video. You'll see all the detail that's very relevant and that will help you develop a good sustainable eBay account. Let me show you everything from my computer. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to speak about the managed payment system. So basically what's happening now is this. On eBay we used to pay with PayPal, but now this whole thing is changing, and as they're explaining, it's going to be easier. You're going to get your money without paying all those fees on PayPal. Yes, it's true. There is a lot of truth in that, but there is also certain things that can be against us. And that's something I want to explain in details. So first of all, I want to explain, this is it. We need to connect a bank account with your eBay account. Okay, so that's very, very important. You have an eBay account under your name. You need to connect a bank account under the same exact name. So here they will explain a little bit more in details what you're going to get, all the benefit. Okay, you can also obviously also connect an online banking account, which I'm going to talk about this in a bit further during this video. But what I want to show you first, which is really important, is this. They explain to you about registration, and very soon all eBay accounts will need to have a bank account connected. You will not be able to use PayPal. So what is important is this. I want to show you something very important here. One of the questions is this: should information from my eBay account match the bank information I provide during registration? The person or business identified in your eBay seller profile should match the person or business listed as the owner of the bank account. So in other words, if you have an eBay account under your name, your bank account obviously should be as well under your name. So you can't have a, like let's say you're having now a business account or an eBay account under a friend's name. You will not be able to put your bank account connected to this account. You need to have that friend's bank account connected to this eBay account. Otherwise, you will not be able to transfer the payment. So why is this important? Is because if I go, let's say I go now to Google, okay, and I type buying eBay account, an eBay account. Okay, I want to buy now an eBay account, which was very, very popular. And you can either find them on Fiverr, people who will sell you an eBay account, or you can, okay, not from eBay directly, but there's a couple of things that you will be able to see here. Where can I buy an eBay account? So let's say I even go in here, and you'll see that one of the options that was given here, you can get here eBay account for sales. We can go a little bit further. I'll show you exactly. So there are a couple of places like this one. This is one option. So basically this option here, it's a place where you can actually buy an unlimited eBay sales account. So there's a lot of those sites. Basically what they do is they're selling an existing eBay account. The biggest issue with that is that you cannot connect a bank account with that, because if you buy an older eBay account which has been around for a few years, normally there's a name attached to that account. Now you can't go and create a bank name with the same eBay account because it's a person names. You can't go and open a banking account under the names of the person. And that's something people don't realize. So they think, okay, I'll just buy myself a new eBay account. If I have a problem with my existing account, then what? What you're going to do? How are you going to resolve the issue of the banking? Because that's something you cannot resolve it. It's impossible to link another bank account with your eBay account. So this is something most people don't realize. You now have your eBay account under someone else's name. You're going to need to connect a bank account with it. So you must make sure that the bank account will match the name under the eBay account. It's very, very, very important. Exactly as they said here. You must make sure that it is connected. In the past, on PayPal, you could have one name on your PayPal account and a different name on your eBay account. But these things is not going to work anymore, and it's going to be changing now. So what will happen is that you will need to make sure that your bank account match the name under your eBay account. That's something really important. So this is a little bit more complicated, and if you're planning to continue working, make sure that your eBay account is under your name or under a name of someone that you also have a bank account. Otherwise you won't be able to transfer the payment from your eBay to the bank account, and that's going to, so basically you won't be able to continue working that way. Okay, so that's really important. So how do you do if they close your eBay account? What's the solution? So I'll give my thought of how we're gonna be able to resolve that if you don't really have an eBay account under your own name. So what you do if your account has been closed? If you choose to open an eBay account under someone else's name, you must make sure that you will have a bank account that will match the eBay account name. It's very important, because if the bank account is not matching the eBay name, you will not be able to transfer the money that you will generate on eBay. Okay, and you will not be able to get your money and all the payments inside. You won't be able to receive your payment basically. So the best thing to do is this: if you have an account that you have under your name or under someone else's name, make sure that you open a bank account that will match the name. One way to do it, you can use Pioneer. It's an online banking site that you can make all the payment through Pioneer, and it actually works now. They're working right now with eBay in collaboration, so you can definitely benefit by using either Pioneer or TransferWise. Either one of them will work, and you can link this bank account, either Pioneer or TransferWise, with your eBay account. It's important that you will match the name of your eBay account with the name on your bank account. Okay, so if it's not your own name, and if it's a friend's or a family member's name, make sure that your bank account match the eBay account. If you have any question, write the comment below this video. If you like the information you have received in this video, just give me a like and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos on eBay and how to make money on eBay. You can join our Facebook group. You'll see the link below this video. You will see the link below this video. I have a free book. You will see the link below this video. I wish you a good day, lots of sale, and we will meet in the next video.